I am 47 years old. I have learned to see my age not as a number, but as a collection of experiences and wisdom. A key piece of that wisdom is understanding how deeply my daily choices affect my well-being. My primary goal is not just to live longer, but to live with vitality, energy, and clarity each and every day. I want my body to feel strong and my mind to feel sharp. To achieve this, I follow a simple, sustainable approach to eating. I call it the anti-aging plate formula, a straightforward guide to nourish my body and slow aging from the inside out. It is wonderfully simple and not a restrictive diet, just a visual tool to build a balanced meal. First, I load my plate with a wide variety of colorful plants. Second, I always include a source of lean protein. Third, I incorporate healthy fats. Fourth, I choose whole grains or starchy vegetables for sustained energy. Fifth, I support it all with abundant water and consistent daily movement. This framework removes guesswork and makes eating enjoyable and intuitive. I focus on what I can add to my plate, not what I must take away. This positive mindset changes everything. I get excited to find new vegetables to try or different ways to prepare a piece of fish. The beauty is its flexibility. It adapts to seasons, preferences, and whatever I have. It honors the body's need for a symphony of nutrients working together. Each meal becomes an opportunity to help my cells repair, protect, and thrive, helping me feel my best now and for years to come. This approach is rooted in the idea of food as medicine. Every bite can either contribute to inflammation and cellular stress or combat it. I aim to tip the scales toward anti-inflammatory, antioxidant-rich foods. The cumulative effect of small daily decisions is profound. It impacts my skin's appearance, my joint comfort, my digestive health, and my cognitive function. This is my daily practice of self-care, an empowering way to invest in long-term health with every meal. My day always begins with a nourishing breakfast. I never skip it. My favorite is whole-rolled oats, cooked slowly with water or unsweetened almond milk, creamy and comforting. Soluble fiber keeps blood sugar steady and supports digestion, preventing the mid-morning crash. Once cooked, the anti-aging power comes in the toppings. A generous handful of mixed berries, blueberries, raspberries, blackberries, antioxidant powerhouses with anthocyanins to protect cells. They support healthy skin and brain function. No added sugar needed. Next, flaxseed, non-negotiable, plant omega-3s and fiber for anti-inflammatory support and satiety. Then chopped walnuts and almonds, healthy fats, a touch of protein, satisfying crunch. Whole grains from oats, colorful plants from berries, healthy fats from flaxseed and nuts, a bit of protein to round it out. Simple, quick, and incredibly effective. It supplies nutrients for heart health and cognitive function. A delicious ritual I look forward to, giving my body what it needs to thrive. Around mid-morning, I have a small, intentional snack. Not mindless grazing, strategic for steady energy and to avoid poor lunch choices. Plain, unsweetened Greek yogurt, exceptionally high in protein to preserve muscle as we age and keep me satiated. It's rich in probiotics, supporting a healthy gut, the cornerstone of immunity, mood, and mental clarity. I add a small piece of fruit for natural sweetness, vitamins, and fiber. If I want more crunch and staying power, a handful of almonds, monounsaturated fats and vitamin E for skin protection. Protein, healthy fat, and fiber, the perfect stabilizing snack. It's simple, portable, no cook, and keeps blood sugar stable. Planning this small meal helps me control hunger and energy, avoiding processed snacks and sugary drinks. Lunch, the midday power-up. I load up on vegetables and lean protein. The base, dark leafy greens, spinach, arugula, romaine. I treat the bowl like a canvas. Each color adds unique antioxidants and nutrients. For protein, grilled salmon is a favorite. EPA and DHA for brain health and powerful anti-inflammatories. If not salmon, eggs, or chickpeas. I toss in quinoa for sustained energy and complete protein, then dress with extra virgin olive oil, lemon, salt, and pepper. Seeds add crunch plus magnesium and zinc. Overflowing plants, strong protein, rich healthy fats, high fiber whole grain. Light yet satisfying, powering me through the afternoon without sleepiness. In the mid-afternoon dip, the right snack makes all the difference. I choose hummus with raw vegetables, chickpeas for protein and fiber, tahini and olive oil for steady brain fuel. Cucumbers, carrots, celery, red pepper, hydrating crunch that curbs chip cravings and stabilizes blood sugar. At dinner, half my plate is non-starchy vegetables, a quarter lean protein, a quarter whole grains or healthy starch. Roasting brings out sweetness and fiber-rich goodness to feed a healthy gut. Protein options: baked white fish, grilled chicken, or pan-seared tofu. Carbs: brown rice, farro, or lentils, steady energy. Cook with olive oil and flavor with herbs, garlic, and turmeric. Hydration is non-negotiable. Sip consistently for skin and cellular health. I walk daily, lift light a few times a week, and protect 7 to 8 hours of sleep for repair and hormonal balance.